Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to improve your website's SEO without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go over some of the best free SEO tools you can use in 2025 to boost your search rankings and get more traffic. Let's get started. Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a must-have for any website owner. It helps you track your site's performance in Google search results, identify issues, and submit sitemaps. With insights on click-through rates, impressions, and keywords, it's a powerful free tool for monitoring your SEO. Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest offers a wide range of features, including keyword research, competitor analysis, and SEO audit reports. It's a great tool for finding keyword ideas, checking your site's health, and analyzing the competition, all for free, with some limitations. Yoast SEO for WordPress. Yoast SEO is a fantastic plugin for WordPress users. It helps you optimize your on-page SEO by guiding you through meta descriptions, keyword usage, readability, and more. The free version provides essential tools to get your content optimized for search engines. AnswerThePublic. AnswerThePublic is a unique tool that helps you discover what people are searching for around your target keywords. It provides keyword suggestions in the form of questions, prepositions, and comparisons, which is perfect for creating content that answers your audience's queries. Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is an essential tool for anyone looking to find keyword ideas. It gives you insights into search volume, competition, and suggested bid prices, making it useful for both SEO and PPC campaigns. Mozbar. Mozbar is a browser extension that provides instant SEO metrics while you browse the web. It shows important metrics like page authority, domain authority, and backlinks, helping you analyze websites and track your SEO performance. Screaming Frog SEO Spider, free version. Screaming Frog SEO Spider is a powerful website crawler that helps you identify broken links, analyze on-page SEO, and check for duplicate content. The free version lets you crawl up to 500 pages, which is plenty for smaller websites. SEO doesn't have to be expensive, and with these free tools, you can take your website's optimization to the next level in 2025. If you found these tools helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.